How to fix Get This app from Play Store on Android. This tutorial covers the most common causes and how to clear the message so you can install normally. First, open the Play Store app on your Android device. From there, search for the app you're trying to install and check whether the message still appears when you tap Install. After that, check your internet connection by swiping down to open the quick panel and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. At this point, if the connection isn't the issue, long press the Play Store app icon from your home screen or app drawer. Following this, tap App Info. From here, tap Storage. At this stage, tap Clear Cache first, then go back and try installing the app again. Following this, if the message still pops up, go back into Storage and tap Clear Data instead. Keep in mind, clearing data on the Play Store signs you out and resets saved preferences, so you'll need to log back in with your Google account afterward. From here, open the Play Store again and sign back in when prompted. At this stage, check your device's date and time settings next, since an incorrect date can sometimes cause this exact error. Following this, open the Settings app and tap General Management. From here, tap Date and Time. At this stage, turn on Automatic Date and Time if it's currently off. Following this, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Finally, once your device boots back up, open the Play Store and try installing the app one more time. That's how you fix Get This app from Play Store on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.